We are going to do exercise 9C. So, before we have completed up to question number 4, now we are going to do question number 6. So, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new videos. So, we are going to do question number 6. So, students, question number 6 is given that Mrs. Rao was making cookies and she needed 12 dozen. Her recipe for 3 dozen called for 4x, means for 3 dozen she needs 4x. So, what is the proportion to write a proportion to solve it to find how many x she needed for 12 dozen. So, if 3 dozen requires 4x, then 12 dozen requires how many x? That one you have to find out. So, it is very simple. You see, 3 dozen requires 4 egg. Now, 1 dozen requires 3 by 4 eggs, or 12 dozen requires 3 by 4 into 12, which you can cancel out. 3 4s are, sorry, it is it is 4 by 3. I have written 3 by 4. So, it is 4 by 3, 4 by 3. So, it is 4 4s are 16, means 16 C required. But in this way we are not going to find out, we are going to find by the method of proportion. So, we have considered that let C required x number of x. So, you can write in this way that first term by second term, first term by second term is equal to third term by last term or fourth term, and we have considered the fourth term as this one x. Okay. So, first term what given? First term is given 3 dozen. So, we will put here 3, and second term is given 4. So, we will put here 4. Third term given 12. Then how many x? So, x is x. See, we have placed the number of x in the denominator. Here also we have placed the number of x in the denominator. So, now we will do cross multiply. We will bring x here and 3 will bring here. So, it is x by 4 is equal to 12 by 3. We have done cross multiply. Okay. Now, we will transpose this 4 to another side, then it will become, so it is x is equal to 12 by 3 into 4. Now, 3 and 12 have common factor as 3. So, 3 4s are 12. Now, x is equal to 4 4s are 16. So, 16 number of x. So, number of x required is 16. So, this is our final answer. So, now we are going to do question number 7. So, you see what is given in question number 7, that Vikrant recipe for fruit punch called 5 part of water to 2 part of punch, means for 5 part of water Vikrant requires 5 part of punch mix. Okay, fruit punch mix. Now, set a proportion. So, we have considered the water required to be x part. Now, you see fruit punch, this one what is called 5 part of water and 2 part of fruit punch, means 5 part of water, or we can say this we will consider as first, this one we will consider as first term, this is second term. Then how much water is required? See, water. So, we have already considered the water as first part, then this one will become third part, and 8 cups of punch will become the fourth part. Okay. So, we will write here first part by second is equal to third by fourth term. Now, first part we are given 5 part of water. So, we will put here So it is 5 part of water. Then second, it is 2 part of punch. Then third part, you see, we have already considered how much water it is required. So water will be in the third part. 5 part of water to punch. Okay, sorry, water we have considered third part. So water we have considered as x. So we'll put here x in place of third part, and the fourth part, it is 8 cups of punch mix. So we'll put here 8. Now we'll transpose this one. So it is 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to x. Since 8 is divided, so it will be multiplied on the other side. So we can cancel out with 2, 2 4s are 8. So the value of x will be 5 4s are 20 part. Okay, so it is 20 part. This is our answer. So hello students, now we are going to do question number 8. So what is given in the question number 8? A dull-witted farmer. Dull-witted means he is little bit less understanding, or we can say little bit he has less mind, is weak, we can say. A dull-witted farmer decided to count his sheep by first counting their leg. Okay, so how he will count the sheep? By counting their legs. Now he counted 456 legs. Now he counted 456 legs and reasoned that there are 11 sheep. Now assuming each sheep had 4 legs, was he correct or not? Now you see, if he counted 456 legs and there is 11 sheep, then if we divide this one and the number comes a whole number, then it is correct. And if the number do not come as whole number, if the number comes as fractional number, then he is not correct. So first of all, we will consider let friends, first of all we will divide and see if 456 is completely divided by 11 or not. So 456 by 11. So 11 4s are 44, 16, 11 1s are 11. So 5 is remaining. That means this number is not totally divided by 11. That means his assumption was wrong. So we can write. Now we will write it that no, the dull farmer was not correct. The dull farmer was not correct. Now how we will find out? He reasoned that he had 113 sheep. He reasoned that he had 113 sheep, and each sheep has 4 legs. So we have to do 113 into 4, which is equal to 452. So total number of legs will be 452. So what he assumed? He assumed that there are 456 legs. So his assumption was incorrect. Okay. So here question was asked that was he correct? So answer is no, the dull farmer was not correct. Now we are going to do the next question, question number 9. So hello students, now we are going to do question number 9. Question number 9 is given. The Sarpanch of the village was elected by a vote of 3-1. If 5764 votes were cast, how many votes did he receive? Now we will find a solution. So the Sarpanch received 3 votes out of every 4 votes polled. Okay, so its ratio will be 3:1. So we will write the Sarpanch received 3 votes out of every 4 votes polled. Okay, means total 4 votes were cast and out of 4 he got 3. Okay, so the ratio will be 3:1. So how we know 3:1? Because here given 2. 3:1 means 3:1. Okay. Now we will first find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. This one we can write. So sum of the ratio is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Now number of votes received by the Sarpanch will be number of votes received by Sarpanch will be how much? You see, it is 3/4 out of 3/4 of how many total votes were cast? It is 5764. So we can write this one as 3/4 into 5764. Now 4 how much? So we can cancel out. It is 4 1s are 4, then 17, 4 4s are 16, again 16, 4 4s are 16, again 4 1s are 4. Now if you multiply, so it is 3 into 1441, which is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 13, 3 1s are 3 4. So it is 4323 votes. So the Sarpanch received 4323 votes. So we have done question number 9. So students, now we are going to do question number 10. So question number 10 is given. The ratio of the length of the school ground to its width is 5:2. Means school ground is rectangular, that means its length is to breadth is given. So length is 5 times and width is 2 times. Okay, so find the length if width is 40 meter. So if width is 40 meter, if width's value is given 40 meter, then what will be the length? So we don't know, we will consider the length as x meter. Okay, so first of all we will write the ratio of length is to width is equal to 5:2. Now if width is 40 meter, let length be x meter. So how we can write? 5/2 will be equal to x by 40. You see, 5 represents the length is how many times, and x represents what is the total length. Similarly, 2 represents the width and 40 represents the width in meter. So we have written in this way. Now we will cross multiply it. So 5 by 2 into 40 is equal to x. So we can cancel out 2 20 times. So 5 into 40, 5 into 40, which is equal to x. So our x value comes 100. So this is our final answer. So friends, we have done up to question number 10. In the next video we are going to do the remaining question. So thank you for watching.